Most budget templates sit on your desktop unopened because nobody shows you how to actually fill one in. I am going to walk you through every single section right now. It takes less than 20 minutes and you will be done. List every income source, job, side hustle, benefits, anything. Always use your take-home number after taxes, not gross. Variable income? Use your lowest month from the last 3 as your baseline. Rent or mortgage, car payment, insurance, subscriptions. These do not change month to month. List them all. Total these first. They are non-negotiable and must be covered. Groceries, gas, eating out, entertainment, clothing. This is where overspending hides for most people. Assign a specific dollar amount to each category before the month starts. Emergency fund, vacation, holiday gifts, car repair fund. Pay yourself first. Treat savings like a fixed bill. Even $25 a week adds up to $1,300 by the end of the year. Fill in what you actually spent in each category. Compare to what you budgeted. No judgment, just information. Use what you learned to adjust next month's numbers. This is the exact free budget worksheet I just walked you through. Link in the description. Download it, fill it in tonight, and know where your money is going for the first time. New tips Monday, Wednesday, and Friday.